Hi, I'm Natalie, a B2B content marketer here at Canva, and I love poetry in all its forms. But can I tell you a secret? Come closer. I am 100%, no, 1000% certifiably terrible at writing them. Especially love poems, which is actually kind of weird because my birthday is actually on Valentine's Day. It should be part of my DNA. That's how DNA works, right? So I can always see the sentiment I want to express in my head, but as soon as I put pen to paper, look, all I can say is I've actually lost friends over poem writing. Not kidding. Well, that was until a little birdie told me Magic Write might be able to help. Shall we give it a try? Let's start with a social media post, maybe for a friend's birthday. Here you'll see a whole range of templates. These are completely customizable. I like that one, so let's select it and hit this button. Okay, first, the poem. I'll create a new page, add text by hitting T, and then give it a go myself. It's no Shakespeare, is it? Maybe I should call her Mon instead. More to work with. Magic Write to the rescue. Open up Magic Write down here and choose Edit with Magic Write. Let's see if I can rewrite it in the form of a limerick, a 5-line poem with a specific rhyming style where the first, second, and fifth lines rhyme. That's actually pretty good, considering the terrible first draft it had to work with. One quick Magic Write feature that I love is the continue writing option. This, as it suggests, continues writing in the same style. This might be a little bit long for a social post. What about a haiku? A concise 3-line poem with a syllable pattern of 5-7-5. Amazing. Okay, copy and paste the words into my design. Maybe change a few colours. Move things around a little. And I'm done. Go here to the Share menu and download as a PNG. Then I can upload that to my social media account and tag Monica. How easy is that? Okay, what about a poem that will show someone how much you appreciate them? Maybe you could give it as a gift. I'll start by searching for a notepad, and I'll choose a blank one. This time, I'll begin with Magic Write and write in a prompt of what I want to convey. That's not bad. Maybe a sonnet is a bit much though. Let's try a couplet structure instead. Much better. Now, Mum is a real list maker, so I'll search for a line graphic so she knows where to write. Perfect. And I saw a great collection of flowers and foliage. Type this in exactly with the set at the front. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? I'll create an extra page and add in all the ones I want to use. I like them all. Okay, turn the music up. I'm gonna get my design on. Nice, loving that. Okay, move this here. Yes, this is looking great. This is so much fun. Oh hey, good question. Let me show you. In the Elements tab, you'll see shapes, graphics, photos, charts. Keep scrolling. At the bottom here, you'll see the latest collections. I'll keep an eye on this section and I'll note down any collection that I particularly like. At times, these element sets even inspire my creations, like this one. If you tap the 3 little dots, you can view the collection. Then you'll see the set code at the top. Ooh, how fun are these? Perfect for a new baby card. Or how about some wall art? Maybe with a poem? The perfect way to welcome a new arrival. A keepsake they'll cherish forever. Okay, go to File and create new design. Search for poster. Now, as before, let's give Magic Write something to work with. And let's test it with another style of poem. This is a type of poetry where the first letter of each line spells out the word when read vertically. In this case, the baby's name is Gabriella. That's pretty good. I might just adjust some of the words. I'm starting to feel more confident now. Okay, resize. Change fonts. Yep, that's looking great. Now I'll use that element collection to create something bright and visual for baby Gabriella to look at. I love this one. Oh, that looks great there. I'll add a background color, something to go with the element collection. However, you can see that these are all SVG files, so I could change the color as well. Okay, that's looking great. If I do say so myself, I know her parents will love this. Let me show you how to get this and Mum's notepad printed. Go here. This preview gives you a mock-up of how it might look. This is all way too small. Okay, that's better. I'll go for a top quality stock. It's a little bit more expensive, but really you just can't put a price on love. Depending on where you're ordering from, you could even choose to have it framed. And the preview even updates. Okay, hit continue and Canva will run through a press check just to make sure it's all going to look as good as you want it to. You can even download a PDF if you want to double check it. When you're happy, hit the checkout button. And for Mum's notepad, it's a similar process. Use the preview to judge how big you want it. And really, that's a small price to pay to show Mum how much I love her. Oh, free delivery as well. And with every order, you plant trees with our one print, one tree promise. How good is that? Okay, so that's how I use Magic Write to become a world-renowned poet. Okay, world-renowned might be a bit of a stretch. Poetic genius? Still too much? If you have any insights, feedback, or questions, we'd love to hear them. Throw them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. You remain, much to my delight. Hungry for more creative insight? Try our playlist, a vault of fascinating tales. Each video a gem where creativity prevails. Need a nudge? This video here may spark your interest. Have no fear. Hit subscribe on our channel. Don't miss a beat as we continue to make your Canva journey complete.